Friends, in my earlier videos I have talked about the lean operational excellence model, where I have talked of 5 pillars, 7 mudas and 9 steps to building world-class organizations. Total flow management is the fundamental pillar by which we can organize the processes, ensure how machines are placed, etc., and how material can move. Yes, flow is important. Now let us understand what is flow. Any obstruction to flow is muda. So there should be no mudas, no wastage when material or information is moving. Now, to identify whether there are obstructions or not, the first simple step is create a spaghetti diagram as to how information and material can move, which you can see in the slide. There are certain rules for creating flow. Information, material should always move forward. Number 2, processes should be close to one another. There should be minimum inventory or standard work in progress between the immediate processes. Try to move information or material in smaller batch sizes or preferably in one-piece flow. Ensure that pick and place, the movements, the transportation is minimal, so that material handling is minimal, so that muda is minimal. There should be no storage points ideally, but if they are, they should be minimum. Ensure that the throughput time in the entire process which you do by redefining the flow is minimal, so that it is able to meet the takt time as required by the customer. Benefits of flow layout: okay, you get more space, there is minimum people, there is minimum transactions, minimum rejections, minimum cash block, and obviously you are adding more value to your processes. If the flow is right or close to excellence, you are definitely going to satisfy your customers. This is very, very fundamental for all other pillars and tools to sustain in the operational